Here's just a quick video of my 1992 Subaru SVX. Let's give you a quick tour of the outside first. It's the white on black colour scheme. We've done a lot of things to this car. Mostly internal to do with the engine and that, but it's got some 18-inch alloys on there. Look pretty nice on them. The stock rims are 16-inch and these are 18, so we had a little bit of a problem with the clearance on the fronts, but we got it solved. Model with the wing on the back. I've taken the plates off just for the purposes of this video. For its age and for the rarity of this car in Australia, it's in very nice condition, especially the paint job. It's not the cleanest it could be at the moment, but paint-wise, you can't really fault it. There's no rust or anything like that. Better look at the rims we've got on it. Got slotted disc rotors as well. Overall in very nice condition for its age. See at the rear of the car we've done a custom exhaust tips, so we've got two on each side now. And if I open the boot up, I'll show you what we've done. So first off, we've recarpeted the boot. So it's got a nice new carpet in there. And also at the back here on the left is a little storage box because we've relocated the battery to the back. We put the battery in the back because later on we're going to be putting a turbo in this car, hopefully. But there's not a lot of space in the engine bay for that, so that's why we've relocated the battery. We've also got a reversing rear camera there that connects to our audio system. We'll open up the bonnet. When you open the bonnet, it just sits on struts that hold it up. Sometimes they do the job, sometimes they don't. And here we are. It's a 3.3 litre V6, fully forged internals, custom alloy radiator, new alternator, all new belts, all that type of thing. Of course the battery's missing because that's in the back. Here's a look in the interior of the car. This model was the fully leather interior, so full leather front seats and full leather rears. Our model has the 260km speedo on it. There's a few things that are broken, just some plastic trim that we have to get replaced. But of course parts in Australia aren't the easiest to come by. Got a sunroof there at the top, that works perfectly fine. Pop the key in the ignition and turn it on. Phone cameras need a lot of image stabilization to be a lot better at this.